Good evening everybody and welcome back to the channel. So I know my last video was like very dramatic, but anyway, sorry, it didn't mean that I was like canceling the channel. I just needed to go back to the drawing board and just figure out what it is that I wanted to do with this channel, and I think I have figured it out. So yeah, you guys will just keep seeing it unfold as time goes by, and it's gonna be back to being structured because that's what you guys signed up for, and that's also what I wanted to create and still continue want to do, continue to educate you guys. So I don't want to yap too much. I wanted to actually just start the video because I want to get cozy and comfortable and just undo this hair because it's just doing too much. You can barely see my scalp. You can barely see my scalp, child. So I just want to undo this hair, and I have already put some water in here. I hope that sounds better because people are parking their cars downstairs. So I'm just putting a little bit of the Woolies sulfate-free strengthening conditioner, and then I'm just gonna fill this up with more water, and this is what I'm gonna use to detangle my hair. I thought I was gonna do a flexi seed situation, a flaxseed gel, but I'm cold. I'm cold. It's not been a while since I've been at home, so I'm just trying not to do too much, honestly. So yeah, so this is it, and in today's video I'm just going to be chatting with you guys about what I have been doing to grow my hair since, like, when you guys really saw it with me out and about. I will insert old clips of where my hair was last year around March, and now it is July, so I just want to show you guys the amount of growth and just chat about how I've been using protective styles to grow my hair, particularly to help me retain length. Let me not say that like it's growing my hair, it's helping me retain length. My hair has grown a lot, so I am cutting right at the end and then just undoing my hair. And I think for me, the first tip I want to give you guys in using protective stylings to retain length is the take down process of your protective style needs to be so gentle, because you want to preserve the old parts of your hair as well as the new growth that you have just gained in that 1 month that you have had the protective styling, or however long you have decided to keep it. So you guys can see that I'm really taking my time, and you guys can let me know your thoughts in the comment section, because my hairstylist did use gel just at the back and the edges, and that's the only place that she used it. I don't like gel in my hair, but as you can see at the back I am struggling a little bit because she did use the gel, but it's the only place that she used gel, right? And you can see that I had a lot of product build up, and that product is the gel. So I want you guys to let me know, if you do use gel, what is your takedown process? Because I experienced knots, as you guys can see there. My hair was very tangled, and then I decided to bring in a reinforcer, which is my coconut oil. This is a great oil if you are looking for something that has a ton of slip. This will provide you with that, and I think for me, I'm using it like a pre-poo as well as a product I can use to detangle my hair. And you guys can see, look at that, the knots are sliding just right out, and I think I'm happy with the section. So then I am going to comb my hair a little bit, and then I'm seeing a little bit of ends, so I think when I go do my hair, I just may want Brenda to cut those ends for me, just so that I can see how much growth I truly have, because I think my hair has grown out a lot. And yeah, so you guys know that I'm a queen of finger detangling. I will always finger detangle before I bring in a reinforcer, such as a comb, a wide tooth comb. I don't use anything that is thinner than this. I use a wide tooth comb, and I don't even do a lot of runs through my hair. I just do enough so that I remove the knots, because my hair, once again, is not tangled, because I was taking care of it while it was in this protective styling, as well as I ensure that when I start my when I braid my hair, it's on clean scalp. I think everybody knows this by now, and I hope that you do too. But I am done unbraiding my hair. I took my time. Okay, I took my time. It's later in the evening, and this is my growth. You guys can see how thick my hair has become. I think it's just, yeah, it's exciting to see. And yeah, I like the curls. I think she's very full and she's very thick. So I'm giving my scalp a rest, and then this is the next day, and this is when I start my wash day routine. I am going to be washing my hair over the sink because I am between chores. I've got a lot of things to do, and it's just easier for me to wash it here so that I can also record the content, etc. So yeah, it's just much easier for me to do it in the kitchen than for me to do it in the bathroom. You guys can see the product buildup, the amount of gunk my hair has. So I'm going to be using the Woolworths for dry frizzy hair because that's exactly what's happening to my hair right now, as well the shampoo that is the sulfate free smoothing shampoo, as well as the sulfate free strengthening conditioner, and then I'm going to follow that up with their hair mask, which is a protein rich hair mask. So with the shampoo, you guys are going to see that I'm going to be bringing in another tool for my scalp because I want to exfoliate my scalp, and that's something I want to start learning to do this natural hair journey. I want to actually just take time and learn how to exfoliate my scalp to the point whereby I even want to start testing glycolic acid on my scalp, but that's something that I'm going to be saving up for the next video. But I am bringing in this tool for my scalp so that I can exfoliate a little better after I give my scalp a good scrub. So this shampoo, I believe this is the second time I'm buying a shampoo from the Willy's line, and I have been absolutely loving it. So this one is for dry frizzy hair with coconut extract and argan oil. It helps to smooth out hair as well as moisturize dry hair. Because my hair has been in a protective style, of course parts of it is going to be dry. It is desperate for moisture. Okay, so for me, I am learning a little bit more about shampoos as well, in terms of learning how to wash your hair with shampoo. Apparently there are techniques that you can use to also learn how to activate your curls through this process. So for me, I was wringing my finger a lot through my hair just so that I can, like, not necessarily build clumps, but just so that I can, you know, get in between my hair and just make sure that all the dirt is out. Remember that the shampoo is for your scalp and your conditioner is for your hair strands. Okay, so this is a sulfate free shampoo. I love it. I think that it honestly also just soothed my scalp, because my scalp obviously would be inflamed because I just took down a hairstyle. And then I moved on to the sulfate free strengthening conditioner with active ingredients from nature. This is for damaged hair with coconut extract and argan oil as well. It's the same scent, which also helps because when you use products of the same scent, your hair just smells like really delicious for a very long time because you use the same like scents throughout. So that's what's been happening. Like, my family's been saying my hair smells so good. I even had a guy at like a grocery store. He passed me by and he was just like, "Oh my gosh, is that like, you smell good?" I was just like, "I think you made me my hair," and he smelled my hair. So yeah. It smells good. So this is their strengthening conditioner, which has provitamin B5. It moisturizes and it helps strengthen your hair, which is exactly what my hair needs, as well as it deep conditions your hair. So my tip for you is that anytime you're going to be using a hair mask or a deep conditioner, is to apply the product while your hair is soaking wet. You guys can see that I just did that. Your hair loves water. So when you apply a product when there's still a lot of water, your hair can lock in a little bit more moisture than most times. And then so just make sure that you apply the protein while it's wet, while your hair is soaking wet. I'm using a protein treatment because, of course, I just come out of protective style. The point of all of this is to keep my hair strong, you guys. I don't want weak hair strands. And I have arrived at the salon. This is on Sunday morning, So I've undid my hair Friday evening, washed it on Saturday, and then now I'm braiding my hair, which is on a Sunday morning, and it's just gonna be a simple hairstyle. So Brenda here is basically just straightening my ends so that you can actually see which parts of my hair is damaged. And she even said herself that she doesn't even see a lot of the damage, if there is any. So she's just trimming the ends for the sake of it, because I asked her to, but honestly speaking, there isn't a lot to trim. So that was my wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, so it is a few hours later. Let me see, it's 1 o'clock right now, and I left the hair salon around about like 10:20. It was a pretty quick hairstyle because, you know, I used my own hair. This is how it looks like. Just giving you guys a close-up. You know, very pretty. I got like beads with it right at the end. So so this is actually the length of my hair. We just used like the hairpiece right at the end, like at the end, so that we can be able to burn it, so that the beads don't fall off. But this is kind of the hairstyle. So yeah, this is the hairstyle. It's looking cute. I like the length of my hair. I'm into short hairstyles. I'm excited for my next hairstyle already, only because I know like Brenda eats like always. Okay, like always. Also the skin, something is happening with the skin. It's giving in even tone, like something, there's like a shine. Yeah, and I like, wow, this is nice. Okay, this is nice. I like it a lot. I like the hairstyle as well. So this is my hairstyle. You guys must let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I enjoyed putting it together. I enjoyed just focusing my brain on just natural hair. So yeah, I'm happy to be back with just doing natural hair content. So let's figure out how we're gonna moisturize this babe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.